Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn finding the sum of elements in a list. So, lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. List items are ordered, changeable and allow duplicate values. Lists are one of the most commonly used data structures in Python due to their versatility and easy of use. Now we'll see first using built-in function. By using built-in function, we will see how to the sum of item elements in a list. We will take list of numbers, like numbers equal 3, 5, 7, 2, 8, 1. Now we will add this list of numbers using built-in function sum. Now their total equal to sum of numbers. Now we will print the total using f literals. F sum their total. Now we will print the result. We got the result. Sum of this list of numbers equal to 26. Another method using a loop. Now we'll see by using loop. We'll take same numbers. Now we'll take total now total equal to 0 for numbers in number. So it iterates the loop in the list of elements. First it will go on keeping iterating up to the number. Now we will add those numbers equal to total. Then we will print the result. Print sum total using f letter. We will run and debug. We'll have a breaking point here. Now we will run and debug. Let us wait for a moment. We have the list of numbers. Now total is 0. Initial total is 0. Now we will step over it. Now number equal to 3. We got first number from the list. Now we added that 3 equal to total. Now it keeps on iterating and it will add those some list in the elements. See, we got here total is incrementing. It will keep up to the list. Now we got total 26. It will print the result and step over. Thank you everyone for watching this video.